Let's walk you through the grinding process for your new VelPro 400 coffee grinder. First, plug in the power. The machine will automatically enter standby mode. Press the power button on the digital scale. Add the desired amount of coffee beans to the digital scale. Pour the measured coffee beans into the bean hopper. Now adjust the grind setting to suit your brewing method. Simply turn the dial clockwise for a finer grind or anti-clockwise for a coarser grind. Adjust the grinder's speed setting. The higher the number, the faster the grind speed will be. Place the dosing cup directly below the grind outlet to catch the freshly ground coffee. Press the grind button briefly to begin grinding. Stop pressing until all the beans have been ground into ground coffee. Allow the grinder to run for about 5 seconds to ensure all the beans are fully ground. Now carefully pour the freshly ground coffee into the portafilter, ready for brewing.